us, right? Like this intellect that makes us human being, and it consists of our perception, right? The will that we have, right? We're like we have this fire inside of us, the ability to reason, to think about things. Like, does this make sense, right? Like, no, no, I'm not gonna listen. Like, I'm not following that. It's not beneficial to me. It's not favorable to me. It's gonna hurt me. So I can reason. The imagination, right? You can imagine, um, um, you know, memory, intuition. Like I don't feel so good about this, or I feel great about this. I'm going to take that chance. I'm going to bet on myself on it. So all of these abilities we have as them, and a lot of times we don't use them. We don't use them. And I think about things like a lion, for instance. A lion is very aware of its ability. When a lion is on the go, it's fully a lion. It's no less than a lion. Like, a lion is brave, a lion is courageous, a lion is very intelligent, a lion is, just fierce, right? When a lion is attacking, it uses all its strength. But with human beings, we don't even use a fraction of the strengths that we have. If anything, we start downplaying it. We start doubting it. Like, oh, I'm not confident enough, or I have this, or I suffered from this, or it's like you. It's like, I'm not saying we don't go through things, but you can focus on your strengths as opposed to counting the things you think, quote unquote, not good on. Like, focus on your strengths. Like, focus on the things that makes you thick, that makes you charged, that makes you feel good about yourself, that makes you, go, that picks you up. Like, those are the things I focus on. I focus on my strengths. Life is not like, the world is not that uplifting. You have to know for yourself what you're good at, and what you're great at. Like, you have to pick yourself up first, before the world sees it. Like, you have to advocate for yourself. Like, no one is gonna do it for you. A lot of times people are gonna see it in you, but they're not gonna say it. Like, they're just gonna look at you. A few people are gonna tell you, like, yo, there's something about you. Like, I love the way you did this. I love the way you speak, or I love the way you recall. I love the way you took initiative. Like, you really get compliments. A lot of times, what you get is either nothing is being said, or you get things like, oh, you're not good at this, or you suck at this, or you're weak at this. Like, it's just how the world is. Don't get emotional about it, but it's your due diligence to know the things that makes you who you are, and makes you great, and makes you, the things that gives you an advantage. Like, use all your advantages. If you're somebody that has physical strength, then use it to your advantage. If you're somebody that is very intelligent, use it to your advantage. If you're somebody that is good at making friends, use it to your advantage. If you're somebody that is great at writing, use it to your advantage. If you're somebody that is good at learning a new skill, use it to your advantage. Like, you got to look at all the strengths that you have, and then use all of them, combine all of them, and make progress. Like, use all your resources.